Setting up a saved payment account in the InBiz system. If you file several filings, you can use a saved payment account, so you don't have to input a credit card each time you file. From the left-hand navigation panel of the InBiz dashboard, select Manage Payment Accounts, and you'll be redirected to a screen through our payment vendor. From this payment method screen, you can input all of the required details as indicated with a red asterisk. Input your credit card number, along with the expiration month and year, and the CVV security code, which is located on the back of your card. In the Billing Information section, you can input an account nickname, which you can use to identify your account for later use. In this example, we'll call it David's Law Firm. You're required to provide both a phone number and an email address. Upon payment, any confirmations will be sent to the email address that's provided in this field. You can also receive alerts if you are the account administrator, listed as such in this section. If you select this checkbox, our payment vendor will send you an alert each time this saved payment account is used to make a transaction. Once you have all of the details provided, select the Save button. After you have successfully set up your saved payment account, the system will return you to the online services screen of the InBiz system. If you go back to Manage Saved Payment Account, you'll be redirected to a different screen where you can see the account details. It will show you the account nickname as well as the credit card number. From this screen, you can remove the link to the credit card at any time the account administrator decides. Also, on the saved payment account, you can give other InBiz users the access to use this saved payment account. This works well for service companies as well as law firms. The user must be an existing InBiz user to receive an invite. To invite a new user, select the Invite New User button. Input the email for the InBiz user. This email would be the user's email used to set up their InBiz account. After entering the email, select the Find button. It will then display the InBiz user's name here. You can select the Invite button, and the system will prompt you with an alert, asking you to confirm you want to authorize the individual to access the saved credit card. You can either select Cancel or select OK, and the system will send the invite. A confirmation will indicate that the invite was sent successfully. The invite will display on the individual's InBiz dashboard, and they'll receive an alert that you've invited them to use the saved payment account. If they do not receive the saved payment account invite, you can simply resend the invitation by selecting this button. You can cancel the invite at any time by selecting Delete Invite. Here, we're logged into another InBiz account, so we can see what the pending invite looks like. The invite will display in the user's account in various places. The first, under the My Alerts section, will show this pending invite from David's Law Firm authorizing the user to use the saved payment account. If the user selects that link, it will display a message informing them of a pending invite which they can either accept, deny, or cancel. The invite is also visible from the Manage Payment Account section of their screen. When the button is selected, they will see the invite from David's Law Firm with the status of Invite Pending. It will show the last 4 digits of the card, but not the whole card number. It will also show the date the account was created. The user can either accept or deny the invite. In this example, we'll accept the invite. It will prompt with an alert asking for confirmation to use this credit card from David's Law Firm. Click Yes, and the card will be available as a payment option. The user can also remove the link at such time they no longer want to use the saved payment card or have access to it by clicking the Remove Link button. Here we'll demonstrate processing a transaction and how the account administrator can view the activity of other users. In this example, we'll request a certificate of existence. A handy feature of the saved payment account is to add a memo. This Add Memo feature allows you to enter any details regarding the transactions, such as the client, to help you reconcile your credit card statement. In this example, we're adding client number 456, so that way we know for our accounting purposes we'll know to bill client 456. Once you've added these details, select the Save button, and it will return you to the shopping cart. Here, we'll select the Checkout button and move into the payment screen. On the payment screen, this will indicate you are making this payment using your saved payment method in the VPS system. To continue using your saved payment account, select the Continue button. This will take you to the payment confirmation screen. You can review the details here if needed. Again, you can confirm you're using your saved payment account by looking under the Bill Payer details that will indicate Paying with Saved Payment Account. Once complete, simply select the Accept Terms and process the payment. VPS will process your payment and return you to the InBiz confirmation screen. From the confirmation screen, you can review and print a copy of your receipt by selecting this button here. You'll notice that the receipt reflects the name of the saved payment account, in this instance, David's Law Firm, along with the saved payment account address, city, state, and zip. Now, returning to the account administrator's InBiz dashboard, we'll be able to review that transaction by selecting Manage Payment Accounts, and then by selecting Payment Details, we'll see that on this date, user John Public, with this email address, submitted a certificate of existence for Paul's Plumbing, LLC, in the amount of $26. You'll also notice that the client number that we put in the memo field when we requested our certificate, client number 456, also appears in the Payment Details screen. If you have a lot of activity in your saved payment account, you can sort by date in the date range and pull the specific dates you want to review. Another benefit of the saved payment account is the account administrator will have a monthly statement emailed to them, reflecting the activity of the saved payment account. This concludes the demonstration of the saved payment account within InBiz.